Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Roblox on your Mac. Now for this you can go to Google search, you can type in Roblox download, and then you can go to the official Roblox website, and here you can see download Mac app. So click on it, and then you can run this file. Click on it and make a double click to install. Click on open. And here you can see it's installing Roblox. Now once installed, you can log in with your account. If you have an account, you can click on sign in. If you don't have an account, you can create account and you can start playing Roblox. So this is how you can download, install and play Roblox on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.